Hi neighbors, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel, The Island Girl Next Door. Today I will be preparing for you corned beef in the can. These are the ingredients that you will need. It's a fairly quick and simple dish, but it's actually eaten in the morning for breakfast with soft grits. So I will be preparing some grits with this. Sometimes we will have it for dinner with rice. So let's get started. You will need some cooking oil. So I'm going to just add a little bit of olive oil, but you can use whatever type of cooking oil your heart desires to my pan. I also will add just a little bit of margarine or butter. Okay. Stir that twiddle. So this pot is clean. It's just actually a really used pot that I cook it in constantly. So once your oil is added, I'll be adding in my cut up tomatoes. This is actually a half of a large tomato that I have. So you can either use a half of a large tomato or a small tomato. We will let this cook down for a few minutes, just soften just a little bit before adding the bell peppers, onion mixture that I have already pre-cut. As you can see, the tomatoes are now translucent. So what I'll be adding in at this point are my onions and bell peppers, so we can get those translucent as well. Okay neighbors, at this point I added about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're going to let this come together. Okay. I'm actually going to add just a tad bit of hot water. I always keep a kettle of hot water on my stove just to loosen up this tomato paste some. Okay. I will also be adding just a dash of ketchup as well. I know some of you're thinking ketchup. Yes, ketchup. Okay. Okay, I'm going to let these veggies and the tomato sauce marry together for a few minutes, for about a minute or two. Okay, neighbors, off camera, I've added onion powder and black pepper. What I'll do now, I will be adding in my corned beef. I do apologize for the way this corned beef can have been opened. Again, I do apologize for how the corned beef can was open. I actually opened it upside down because the key for it was broken off, and I had to open it with a can opener. So what I'll do now, I'll add this corned beef into the sauce that's been cooking for down with the tomatoes and the other veggies for a few minutes. Okay neighbors, as you can see, the corned beef has been added to the pot of tomato sauce and veggies. I also added off camera some fresh thyme and a half of goat pepper. For those who don't know what goat pepper is, we in the Bahamas call it goat pepper. The Jamaicans call it not habanero. That's what Americans. Habanero pepper is the closest thing to a goat pepper here in the United States. So There you go. That's a goat pepper or a habanero pepper. Jamaicans will call it the Scotch bonnet. Let me know what you call it on your island. As you can see, this pot has dried out some because the corned beef has actually soaked up all the liquid. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to add just a little bit of hot water, because again, I'm going to have some soft grits with this. I also added a piece of fresh thyme leaf. It's in here already. So we'll probably let this cook down for about a minute or two. Let this come together, and then the corned beef will be ready to serve. Okay, neighbors, the corned beef has married together and cooked down. I will be serving it on a bed of grits. So let me put you down for a second to show you how I will serve this up to my family. Okay, neighbors, this is how I serve this corned beef and soft grits to my family. Bon appetit. This is a fairly quick meal that can be cooked for your family within 20 to 25 minutes. It is cost effective. For the can of corned beef, I paid about $2.89 for it. But again, this is a humble meal from my humble beginnings back in the island. It's better in the Bahamas. That's what they say. Back in the islands of the Bahamas. So if you try this recipe, please let me know in the comment section below. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I will appreciate it. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And remember, I am your favorite neighbor, the island girl next door. God bless you.